Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we are going to be talking about exchange tokens and cryptocurrency exchanges as a whole, why they're so important. We'll talk about Crypto.com, of course, FTX, Binance, and the rest of them in today's video. So stick around to the end to kind of get my full synopsis on where we're at in the current market, what you need to know about exchange tokens, and why I'm making a video about those today. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's hop into the charts, guys. So taking a peek here at the crypto market cap for the day, we are currently sitting at $900 billion, and Bitcoin is at 20K, Ethereum at $1,100. So, we're really just kind of in this spot where Bitcoin halving is not coming until 24, 25, and we've got some time to wait, and Bitcoin could go lower from here. We could see this floor. A lot of people are calling for like this kind of end of summer, beginning of Q4 bottom, which we'll see if that happens. I believe that if people are saying bottoms here, then it usually comes either earlier or slightly later than that. I mean, people are usually not correct. So I would anticipate bottom to come sooner than that, actually, on that news. I think that it comes sooner than people expect, so that the people shorting it get wrecked, because that's kind of what happens, and same thing on the way up. But a lot of news going on with the cryptocurrency exchanges lately, and this crypto winter, that's the hot topic. When people are going to be talking about news stories, focus is going to be on some of these big players like Voyager, Celsius, Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com, FTX, Kraken, you name it. All these layoffs that have been happening. We've done a lot of stories about a lot of these companies that are laying off a lot of these workers. These are huge stories. Well, here's a newer story that came out here. The CEO of Binance, Zhao, he is actually moving all the way over to Dubai. And why is he doing this? Because governments are starting to crack. So people say, governments are starting to crack down. Now, this is a Bloomberg article here. Can crypto's richest man stand the cold? The winter is brutal, and the SEC is currently doing a lawsuit against Binance.us, and it's possible that governments around the world may be trying to kind of crack down on regulations, which we need in the long run, but in the meantime, it's going to cause a lot of hurdles for these exchanges. So, Changpeng, he moved all the way over to Dubai. Why? Because Dubai is showing that it's very crypto friendly. You have a lot of progress lately with FTX and Crypto.com getting accepted into Dubai. And there's a lot going on in Dubai. Actually, even like golf leagues are moving over to Dubai. Like the PGA Tour is getting competition in Dubai. So Dubai is trying to kind of attract new talent and has less regulation. There's a lot of money in Dubai. And this is what he's doing. Because right now, there's a lot going on with these exchanges. They're under a lot of surveillance with the government, and I think he's trying to kind of lay low here. A lot of people say, like, Terra USD suggested to customers that it could be somehow both safe and high yield, which is risky. So this kind of puts a target on their back for the Terra USD thing, right? Which people are calling it. They call it a Ponzi scheme, is what people are saying. So, are they going to get criticized for, is the crypto's richest man going to get criticized for this? Absolutely. He claims that, he, doesn't really care about money, though he's one of the richest men and he started a crypto exchange. So that's interesting. We got to keep an eye on this. A lot of competition is coming along. So you can see competitors like FTX. But it says here in this article, and I agree with this, Binance and competitors such as FTX will replace not only the world's stock exchanges, but also the entire global financial order, or running the world's largest unlicensed casino. And I think that these are coming. These are around the corner. And if you're missing out on exchange token plays, then you're missing out. Now, this is, bad news for Binance in the meantime, but regulation's going to come in. They're not going to go anywhere. Maybe they'll get penalized, but come full circle, these things are the biggest exchanges. They're not going anywhere, guys. And here's another crazy story. So Sam Bankman-Fried is one of the world's youngest billionaires. I think he is the world's youngest billionaire. I think he's 19 years old. He donated a lot of money to the recent presidential campaign for Joe Biden, actually, the Biden presidency, and he's got a lot of friends in high places. And he has one of the most successful crypto exchanges, one that had an ad space during the Super Bowl. You'll see right now the FTX exchange on a lot of jerseys. On you can see on a referee or an umpire during a baseball game, you'll see the FTX logo. They've got so many partnerships. There's such a huge exchange. Well, lately, they made a move to ride to the rescue for some exchanges. Two of them were actually Voyager, being one, and another one was, I believe, Three Arrows Capital, I believe it was. But he's actually coming out and bailing out some of these exchanges, Voyager being one of them, because Voyager is really in a bad spot right now. And actually, recently, just in the last 15 hours, they actually lowered their withdrawal rate on their exchange from a $24,000, $25,000 daily limit to a $10,000 daily limit, which shows you they're having a liquidity issue. And so, crypto exchange owner and founder Sam Bankman-Fried, he's actually 30 years old, excuse me. So, yeah, he's 30 years old, but he bailed out these exchanges. He bailed out these companies, and he's doing it because, he's got so much money and he doesn't want the space to suffer. So, I believe that he's doing it because, look at this tweet. Today we're injecting $250 million into BlockFi. Oh, it was BlockFi. And partnering with them so we can navigate the market from a position of strength. So they're trying to just strengthen the market, right? They have the money to do it. They have the cash at the disposal. In a crypto winter, they have cash at their disposal. What does that say? You should be buying FTX. You should be buying exchanges like crypto.com. FTX is looking really strong on this news, and perhaps this is something that actually made it past crypto.com lately. But really, you're looking at Binance and crypto.com and FTX and all these exchanges, and you gotta think of them an opportunity, because this is where, we're going to see a lot of growth. You're looking at some of these articles, and this is what people are talking about. Coinbase shares slump with crypto prices as Binance starts a zero-fee BTC trading. So they're going to do no fees now on Binance.us, and Binance.us is under scrutiny from the SEC, but these are the stories. These exchanges are competing against one another. These exchanges offer their own tokens. You got BNB coin, you got FTX coin, you got CRONOS coin, you have Kraken's coin, you got all these other coins here that you can KuCoin. Coinbase doesn't have a coin, but these are opportunities, guys. And if you're not seeing some of these stories that are coming out, just turn on the TV, look at CNBC, look at your favorite sports team. These exchanges are not going anywhere. Good news or bad news, there's news, they're talked about. These are going to be household names. People will know all the crypto exchanges, just as you might know Charles Schwab or Fidelity or any of those other guys out there. You're going to start to know Binance, FTX, crypto.com. Right now, I think that's it in order of size. Coinbase, I guess, is up on top there, but they're way, way more centralized. They don't even do anything with DeFi. They partner with DeFi platforms. But I believe that also the exchange tokens like CRONOS chain, which is leading the pack right now. Well, that's not true. Binance is leading the pack in DeFi with the Binance Smart Chain. PancakeSwap is huge, but CRONOS is heating up, and FTX is a little bit silent. They got some partnerships in DeFi, but it's not their own true DeFi play. Same thing with Coinbase. Coinbase has partners in DeFi, but they don't really have their own DeFi platform. And I think that's going to really help those exchanges, Binance and crypto.com, that do. Keep an eye on these exchange tokens, guys, because we are in a crypto winter. These markets are low. You're looking at really big discounts, and anytime here, in the last 7 days, you have an 8% bounce on FTX. Almost a 10% gain, which is huge. Same thing with crypto.com, a 7% gain. That's big. You look at these exchange tokens. You look at these exchange tokens actually rebounded the most. Solana rebounded a lot. Dogecoin rebounded a lot. Outside of that, and Shiba Inu, of course, which we will expect out of Shiba Inu. Big moves both directions on Shiba Inu, but keep an eye on the exchange tokens, guys. That's all I got for you in today's video. If you want some free money, by the way, go ahead and hit the link in the description down below. You can get some free money when you sign up for crypto.com, $25 there. Also, if you use a referral code of FEMAX, you can get up to $4,100 when you take out a leverage trade. When you buy some crypto, you can maybe even open up a $100,000 trade with that free money right there. So check it out, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.